Drama queen.
You're the elected person over here. Okay? You're the elected person over here. And is this
Rohit.
permitted?
Don't.
Is this permitted? Is this permitted, Rohit? No, one second. Is this permitted, Rohit? Rohit, is this permitted? Oh, you'll wake up on the 9th, huh? This happened on the 9th over here. You'll have woken up now? When the farmers' fields were taken? When the farmers' fields were taken? Where were you, Jennifer? Jennifer, where were you when the farmers' fields were taken? She used a bad word to me. She used the word. She used the F word to me. Was I not polite? Can she use a bad word? You keep quiet. तू मत उगी रहा. तू मत उगी रहा. When a citizen is asking a question, why is she not ready to reply? He's a resident of this area. He's a resident. How can you fire a bad word? Heads all आमचे. When a citizen is asking, it's a right to record. Every citizen should know what is the show business happening over here. 9th this incident happened. 9th. I called up the flying squad at 5 p.m. and checked the registration. My complaint is there. Not even a flying squad turned up over here. Not even a flying squad turned up over here. And that's her department. That's Rohit's department. And Rohit is a councillor here. It took him 2 days to understand that there's a problem here. Was he there on the first day? Did he stop the JCB? किधर चल रहा है? This is what? And when we are asking Jennifer, she's firing a bad word? Oh, stop. And all their stooges are calling me a drama queen. Drama किधर है? This is drama.
Do you think this is happening with the eyes of...
Of course. How this hotel has come up. There is no still parking over here. How can this excess? I mean, this happened in daylight and everyone got this circulation. All of them got this video. And the eyes, they woken up 11th Monday, Ezala Saturday. He's a citizen over here. He's a voter from this area. And he's saying that the direct access is taken. What is this show business? This is why Montserrat put his son over here. He's not even from this ward. He put his son here for a particular reason. And he wakes up over here. It's funny for him. They are just सगळे जण हा हिंगा पोय. सगळे जण.
तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का. तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का. तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. बाबूश मोजरा तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. जेनिफर मोजरा तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का विजय हो.
Madam, Cecil putting a direct allegation that you people are being involved in this all.
She can say anything she wants. Doesn't mean it's true.
But to be in opposition is very easy, you know.
Very
You have
easy
nothing
to be in
show.
opposition.
What is there?
No work can be done. Only comes and screams. So I'm not bothered about her allegations at all. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I have to do for my constituency. I don't need someone to tell me anything. This is what's happening over here. When we question this, what's happening? Ask her when on the 9th. This incident happened on the 9th, on Saturday. When I called up the flying squad at 5 o'clock, there was no registration of a complaint being done. And I have done this registration. And they have woken up here. To show this what is happening in front of their own eyes. This is Rohit's ward. Rohit doesn't even reside in this ward and he's elected over here. And it took him 2 days to come over here. He should have been here stopping the JCB if he was really concerned. And also same thing happened with our farmers field in Taligaon for Panchayat Ghar. And who shush munta. Loka kopa jaya tha. So this is what is happening. Show business is happening over here. Why were they not there on the first day to stop? Why Joe Martin, the citizen, had to block a JCB? Why did Joe Martin have to block over here? Why everyone is coming down and doing this? I mean, a JCB comes and openly distracts all this, and then they come today. They come today. हे चल्ला आमचे, लोकांक प्लीज उक्ते करून दोडे मातशे पोयात. Bangadi beach पासून तेच जाला. Panchayat is also there. Here all panchayat members are here. If you can see, all panchayat members are doing CCP work over here. सगळे लोक त्यांचेच. जेन्ना शेतकऱ्याचे शेत चोरून घेतला न्हू, तेन्ना पासून when we confronted the sarpanch, Agnay Dikuna also that time, they got us arrested. Is it not our duty as citizens to ask? This gentleman over here just asked Jennifer, saying this is our access road, why was it done? And when I intervened, she used a bad word against me. Really? This is how I'm also part. I'm a voter of this area. I've been residing here last 11 years. It's our concern over here. I also pay my house tax on time. Lekine challa. And this is how our environment is getting destroyed every day. चोरून येला मरे सगळे आमची शेतां बाटा सगळे जाण. When will people realize this, yeah? And this is a joke for them. Look how they're laughing. Just see, it's a joke for them. They come, they do show it's drama. Sanjeev, this is drama for you. This is drama. And when the farmer's field was taken,
आज आम्ही बीजेपी युवा मोर्चा तालिगांव आणि पणजी दोघी जाण मिळून आम्ही आमच्या MLA आणि आमचे मेयर हांच्या बरोबर आज आम्ही ही जी डिस्ट्रक्शन जाल्लें आशिल्लें काल कोणे केल्लें तें आमकां कोणाकूच खबर ना, पूण आज आमी तें रेक्टिफाय करपाक झाडां लावपाक ट्री प्लांटेशन करपाक हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. आतां ती म्हणटा कितें ती 11 वर्सां जाल्यार पूण हांगा आसा आमी आज म्हाका 27 वर्सां ल्हानपणांतल्यान आमी हांगा खेळटा येता ही पायवाट जावन आसा. झाडां जाल्ली सगळे वाट लागिल्ले सगळे जाल्ले आसा, पूण आतां कोणे क्लियर केलें तें कोणाकूच खबर ना. आज आमी हांगा ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्रायव्ह इमिजिएटली घेतला. बेट्टो येवन ड्रामा करून बोवाळ घालून आपल्याक बाबा पब्लिसिटी घेवपाची कामां आमकां संवय ना. आज तुमकां सगळ्यांक घेवन ती आयले. आतां आज आमी हांगा युवा मोर्चाचे वतीन आमी हांगा ट्री प्लांटेशन केल्लें आसा. आमकां कांयच हांगा वायलन्स करपाचें ना. आमी हांगा बरे भशेन सगळें करपाक आयल्या. पब्लिसिटी स्टंट करपाक आमी हांगा आयिल्ले ना तांचे भशेन. इतलेंच सांगून म्हजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता.
And we were here from 8 o'clock in the morning, no confusion, peacefully we were doing our work. So that is what should go out. We were here doing our work peacefully with BJYM, with the Karyakartas. We were just here doing our work peacefully because we are also very worried about what happened. So we want to restore it, we want to grow trees so no one uses it for anything else besides walking. That's all.
So we have been peacefully growing the trees here, and I think that we are actually making the difference here. And she's just talking about things that do not exist. We are currently creating, this is just a pathway for people to walk, not a road for people to drive in. And that is why we have assured that we are growing trees here. And I think even she can help us grow more trees with us.
And screaming doesn't help anything, it doesn't solve any problems. Okay, so I think this is more important, that we are here peacefully doing our work, growing our trees, and she comes only to scream. No action, she can do nothing but scream, only screaming.
She was telling that on 5th this accident has happened here. So
5th?
No.
Impossible, that's a lie.
No.
It's a lie.
तुम्ही जाणां काल हांगसर येवन कोणी आपले राजकारण केल्लें आसा. तुम्ही इंटरव्यू घेतलेली आसा तेजे कडल्यान. काल हे जाल्लें आसा. काल जायना फुडें MLA आमकां इमिडिएटली सेक्शन दिलें की हांगा प्लांटेशन करपाचें.
Immediately in the morning we have come here and we are
आठांक
starting
आमी हांगासर येयले आनी आठांक आमी हांगासर आमच्या हातीन हांगा झाडां अनलोड केल्या ट्रकांच्यान आनी झाडां लायल्या. इतक्यान ते आतां 5 मिनटां पयलीं हांगा येयले आनी आमकां ते डिस्टर्ब करता झाडां लावपाक नाका.
And they are growing trees and they are asking us why are growing trees here. What is the meaning of this? Double standards? Huh? Come on, let's do our work.
Can I say something?
yeah.
Actually, this started when I cautioned the MLA. I requested her. I told her I am a citizen of this area, and I said, as you are my MLA, I have a question to ask to you. This is our traditional access. We have been using this traditional access since our childhood. So I requested her, since you are planting these trees, you plant the trees leaving the traditional access. Okay. See this row of trees, what they have planted is the place where exactly the traditional access is. Now what they are when we ask them, they are saying no, we are doing a divider so that this is one way, this is one way. We don't want one way here. It is just a traditional access for us to walk. Why are putting in the middle of this was the question I asked her. With this question, she started firing bad words at her. And actually she did not ask her anything. And now what she is saying as a MLA doesn't suit her. Why she has to fire bad words? I just asked her this question: is why you are planting in the middle of the pathway? We don't have to.
Okay.
We don't have a problem that you are planting coconut trees. It's very good. Nobody can complain about that. But just avoid our pathway, traditional access.
या वाल्मिकी कशें पळयता घेतलें कशें पळयता तूं हे एंटायर जे सीन चालू आसा हांगा
देर आर बेसिकली 3 issues, 3 मुद्दे आसा.
कोणाक फायदो आसा आनी मागीर
पयलो मुद्दो आसा जो कायद्याचो. हे कोणें केलें, खंयच्या कायद्यान केलें आनी कोणाच्या बऱ्या खातीर, कोणा खातीर केलें हो प्रश्न पडटा. कित्याक हांगा जो कॉर्पोरेटर आसा ताजें नांव मनसरात आसा, हांगा जी आमदार आसा तिजें नांव मनसरात आसा, आनी सगळे पणजे तालिगांव जो व्हडलो हें म्हणटा ताजें नांव मनसरात आसा. तर खंयच्याच मनसरातान आपलें तोंड उगडूंक ना अजून की हें कोणें केलें, खंयच्या कायद्यान केलें आनी कोणाच्या बऱ्या खातीर केलें. आज हांगा येवन जी नाटकां करता ती करुनी, ते प्रेसा खातीर तांकां आतां कळ्ळां लोकांक हें जाल्लें नाका म्हणून. सो हे कितें आतां नाटकां करतात प्रेसा खातीर फक्त. पूण खरें म्हळ्यार कायदो कोणें मोडलो आनी कोणाच्या आशिर्वादान मोडलो आनी कोणा खातीर मोडलो हो ताणें आन्सर दिवंक जाय. तुमी मुद्दम ताका विचारात खंयच्या कायद्यांनी हें जालें तें. दुसरो जो आसा मुद्दो व्हडलो हो फूल स्ट्रेच जो आसा मिरामार ते करंजाले पर्यंत हो जो बीच स्ट्रेच आसा हो इट वॉज सपोज टू बी एन अर्बन फॉरेस्ट. केंद्र सरकाराची एक स्कीम आसा नगर वन स्कीम म्हणून. दे वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अर्बन फॉरेस्ट. अर्बन म्हणजे शहरान भितर एक जंगला सारको एक परिसर करपाचो एक स्कीम आशिल्लो, बरी स्कीम सारकी. आनी पणजेन दीस पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्रेच वॉज सिलेक्टेड एज द प्लेस फॉर द अर्बन फॉरेस्ट. आनी हांगा अर्बन फॉरेस्ट करच्या शिवाय हे हांगा कॉन्क्रीट जंगल करपाक सोदता. वॉट इज दीस नॉनसेन्स गोईंग ऑन दीस. आनी हांकां कळना. तिसरो मुद्दो म्हळ्यार हांकां कळना दीस इज अ नॅचरल डिफेन्स. आमकां देवान दिला हो. पणजे ही दर्याच्या देगेर सिटी आसा, तालिगांव ही दर्याच्या देगेर सिटी आसा. फाल्यां जेन्ना सायक्लोन येता, सुनामी येवंक शकता आनी कितें जावंक शकता. वी आर ससेप्टेबल टू सी लेवल रायज. उदकाचें लेवल रायज जावं सबंद जगभर. वी हॅव अ प्रॉब्लम. हांगा व्हडले व्हडले कोट्यांनी रुपयाचे बंगले बांदल्यांनी, हॉटेलां बांदल्यांनी आनी मोन्सेरात फॅमिलीची स्वताचो बंगलो आसा न्ही तांचे ते 2 वर्सां तांकां तो बंगलो करपाक लागला आसतलो. 2 मिनटांनी सुनामी आयल्यार तांचे काबार जातले इफ दीस इज नॉट देर. हो जो आसा दीस इज अ नॅचरल बॅरियर. ही मातशी तकली वापरून तुमी डेव्हलपमेंट विकास कित्याक म्हणटा ते मातशी तकली वापरून फुडें सरात. इतलेंच म्हाका म्हणपाचें आसा. आज तुमी जे लोक आयला, भुरगीं आयला आपलो जागो राखपाक. आय थिंक दीस इज अ मेसेज टू द पॉलिटिशियन्स. यू कॅनॉट गेट अवे विथ एनीथींग एंड एवरीथींग.
या थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
रोहित, any action had been taking here? Something कोणी केला जाल्यार हे एक्शन घेतले तुमी हेजेर?
Yes, we'll find out who it is.
Find out means are you doing FIR or something like that?
Yes, we will find out who it is. We have to find out who it is because we don't want to be blamed for something we didn't do. Why should we take the blame? Not everything wrong that happens is we are responsible for it. And this is election time. These things are going to come up. So if they were so bothered and they knew it happened on the 5th, she said, right?
Yeah.
So what she was doing from the 5th to today, if she was so bothered, she should have, in all those days she had, if she said it happened on the 5th, then she should have been here on the 7th at least. What's the date today?
11.
Then what was she doing? Sleeping? So just because we were here, she decided to come here to disrupt our tree plantation. So we are not saying it happened on the 5th. We are saying we heard about it yesterday. So today we are here. If it happened on the 5th, then she should have been here in the next 2 days at least. So it is wrong on her part to even come here and make a racket and create a ruckus when we are doing something. So we took action quicker. We were here the next day. It happened on the 5th, no? So they were sleeping.
See, it is very easy to make accusations also, but if you don't do anything about it, then what is the point? You're just shouting for the sake of shouting. Now you've gathered like a group of children here. What is the thing? It's only political drama, no? At least they are here doing something about it also, no? We are ensuring that nothing will happen in this area. We are taking concrete measures, no? To make a noise becomes very easy also. That is all the opposition is doing. They are just making a noise over issues. They are trying to divide people. We just want to get our work done and we just want to go home to our families. That is it. That is all that we want to do.
Thank you.
We have actually come here at 8 a.m. From 8 a.m. we have actually made a difference.
एक्चुअली एक पांय वाट आशिल्लो चलयेचो कळ्ळो हांगा गणपती विसर्जन जातालें हांगा पयलीं गणपती विसर्जन जाता घडलें पळय हांगा ही सांगूंक सोदता की इट इज आमचे CCP जावं काय हांगसरल्या आमदारान जावं कोणें ताका ऑथरायज करूं नाशिल्लें आनी कसलेंय परमिशन आसना कोणें तरी केलें हांगा आनी इट्स अ वेरी बॅड इन्सिडंट आनी आमी फक्त आम्हाला कित्याक येयला काल जेन्ना मॅडमाक कळ्ळें अशें जालें म्हणटकूच तांचो फोन करून खबर काडली कितें जालें तें आनी ते सामकें बेजारलें मागीर शी वॉज वेरी अपसेट जालें म्हणटकूच आयज सकाळीं आमी डिसिजन घेतलें की हें जे आमी पयलीं आमी ब्लॉक केला हांगा कसलेंय आमी गाडी गिडी हांगा भितर सरपाना आनी हे जे पयलीं कितें ओपन खंय माती बी काडले पळय हांगा झाडां रोवन ते पयलीं कशें अशें तशें करपाक ट्राय करता आनी आमी फक्त करांच्या लोकांक आमी आनी फाल्यांच्या लोकांक हें करूंक सोदता की हें जे काल कोण कोण येवन हांगा कितें कितें उलोवन गेलें पळय तें सगळें रॉंग आमी मॅडमान जावं का आमी जावं का पणजेच्या आमदारान जावं का आमचो मेयर जावं कोणेन हांगा परमिशन दिवन आशिल्लें काम करपाक हें कोणें केलें तें आमकां खबर ना कळ्ळें ताका लागून आयज परतून सगळें झाडां रोवन मॅडम सकाळीं उठून सगळें आमकां आपोवन हांगा झाडां रोवपाक लायला आनी हें सगळें परतून जें आसा तशें रिस्टोर करतलें आमी हांगा लोकांचे पांय वट मात आसतलें हांगा फक्त लोकांक चलोन वचपाक मेळटलें हांगा
okay. Mayor, who had given the permission to do this?
Like Shastri had said, nobody had taken our permission also, and even if they had asked also, we would have said no. No, it originally also was a footpath, and we intend on keeping it that way. Now the opposition is spreading rumors saying that we are building a road for the benefit of the hotel. Now all of that is not true, and now we just want to show everybody also now that we will stop any work that is to happen in this area also, any development also.
Ex-mayor of Panjim had blamed that the CCP had closed their eyes.
See, that is the thing also. See, now the ex-mayor has no foot to stand on when it comes to development also. He has neglected the city for the past 2 years also. No development work is booked. Now this is he picks on basically small issues and creates them into something that is not. See, now we were not aware of the situation, and even if now we have come to correct it also. We want to ensure that no vehicles will come here. It will only be used as a footpath, and that is the thing.
Yeah. So how you think such things happens here?
See, like both of them said, we have not given permission for anything like this to happen, and we would have never given permission. So as soon as it came to my notice, I spoke to Rohit and then Shastri and BJYM and all of us, and we decided that we will be here early morning to restore this back. We'll grow some trees and we're going to keep it only as a walkway for people. So what was the intention of whoever did it, we don't know. So we are really not aware of it, and maybe we should have been a little more vigilant, but as soon as we came to know, this is what we've decided, and we are going to make sure that it's a walkway for people.
Yeah, ex-mayor also had given the like a warning.
Yeah, I don't want to comment on ex-mayor.
Because he said that he is doing the Gandhigiri this time. Then what?
What Gandhigiri? Who is doing Gandhigiri?
Ex-mayor.
No, I don't know what is his Gandhigiri. I know only one Gandhi, and that Gandhigiri, but I don't know what he is doing, and I'm not interested in commenting also on ex-mayor. I'm just telling you what work we are doing, and that is all that should go out, that we want to assure people from our area that we are not going to take up any works like this which will destroy or change this pathway which was always there.
Nobody had involved in this. CCP had not involved in
No,
this.
we are not involved in anything also. No. That is what I'm trying to tell you now. See, this was done without our knowledge also. So now what they are trying to do is now basically spread rumors around the public. Now election time is coming. This is all the footing that they have. They have nothing else to show. So all they want to do is stir up issues. So now we have come to correct that. And we intend to keep this only as a pedestrian zone, and no development will happen. We will personally come to stop any work that happens in this area also. That guarantee we can give you.
तुमचें नाव?
म्हजें नाव पप्पा खर्डे. सो काल हांगासर इन्सिडंट जालो पळय तो इन्सिडंट सारको आमच्या MLA कळना फुडें MLA रोखडोच स्टेप घेतलो की हांगासर जी झाडां कोणी काडलेली आसा काल JCB हाडून हांगासर कोणी क्लीन केल्लें आसा पळय ती थंयसर हांगासर रिइन्स्टॉल करपाची. हांगा क्लियरली हांगासर एक लोकांक खबर आसा की हांगासर ट्रेडिशनल ही वाट आसा ती गणपती पावपाची वाट आसा. आमकां कारंजालेकारांक आनी तालगांवकारांक कसलीच भिवपाची गरज ना, कित्याक आमचो MLA आमच्या वांगडा सारको आसा आनी भायल्यांनी कोणी हांगासर येवन हांगासर राजकारण करचें न्हू. बेश्टेच येता आनी हांगासर राजकारण करता जे CCPन सांगलां पंचायतीन सांगलां म्हणून सांगता हें कोणीच सांगूंक ना. हे जे कोण राजकारण करता पळय तेंच्यांनी आपली पोळी बाजू घेवची न्हू इतकें सांगता.
किशोर या मरे अंग्रेज लाइन रहा मुझे
तू लो मुझे
जेनिफर मोंसेरात तुम आगे बढ़ो, जेनिफर मोंसेरात तुम आगे बढ़ो.